Hello friends, welcome back to AJ Crafts Crafting with AJ. Today we are using an old carton box to create a painting, a colorful trendy painting for our home decor. In our previous video, we have used such carton box to make a lamp. You can check out that video or the link is provided in the description box below. First you can see I pasted the base and the lid of the box together like this, and once it got dried up I quickly started pasting small chits of paper on it to cover it and to make it strong. Please make sure that you do not get any wrinkles or bubbles on the paper. When I created this, I ended up with so many wrinkles on this board. So be careful. So please make sure to remove all the bubbles and wrinkles from the paper. I applied 2 layers of paper on this. So once it got dried up, it became strong. So the base is ready. Now let us add some colors to it. I am choosing African Black Beauty. You can choose anything of your choice, any design you want to create. You can draw any painting here. So I'm first creating a simple drawing with just outlining using a pencil. You can use any design or any abstract you want to create for your decor. So I prepared a simple outline, a basic structure for the same. So like this I completed the sketching of the drawing I would like to make, and now I will start coloring it. I used acrylic paints. I'll use black paint for face, arms and waist, and some bright colors for the dress and the accessories. So I added some bright colors to the painting. Now for the background. So in order to highlight the main painting I have created, I used the light color to make it look more brighter and to make it appear come forward. Because acrylic colors dry quickly and we are not using canvas board, so in order to merge the two colors I had to use my fingers, because using the brush they were not merging properly. Then I completed the drawing with the black paint outlining, and after that, in order to create patterns for the beautiful dress, I used 3D outliner colors. This added more spark to the painting and it was looking really very pretty. This is a very quick DIY and those who love painting can quickly create a board for themselves and start painting on it. I used golden and yellow 3D outliners for creating the patterns on jewelry. On drying, it was looking fabulous. This is a very easy and simple DIY which can be made quickly. I hope you like this. Please provide your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Keep crafting with AJ. Stay connected for more DIYs.